What is up, guys? Welcome to the vlog. And today's vlog, I'm cleaning my cars. Let's clean. Let's clean. So one of them now. Stop. Anyways, let's clean this. Hey, get in there. Way! Let's do this, guys. I have magic trick to show you. Like this. That and 3, 2, 1. Oh! I can do that by practicing that magic trick on YouTube. Just I watched 5-minute craft magic and I learn it. It's just like it's slow motion. It's just like this. It's just like that. That's the slow motion radiation. Let's keep doing this. Keep doing the vlogs. All of my needs. Do it whenever I want. Oh there. There are the cars. Oh there. It's stuck. Come on, get in there, get in there, get in there. Oh. It's probably just like combination. There you go. That's double. Dun 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 dun. Finally done. Right underneath that thing. And guys, it's so much fun. I go underneath that thing, like that. That's so dark there. So guys, thank you for watching Tryke YouTube channel. Please like, share, subscribe, comment down below what you think on our video and our next video. Guys, please smash the like button and stop the bell to not miss another video I uploading on other days. So guys, see you next time, guys. Bye. Good days.